Discover the top 7 best 3D printers that are revolutionizing manufacturing and prototyping. From precision engineering to user-friendly interfaces, these printers offer cutting-edge technology to unleash your creativity. Explore our curated list to find the perfect 3D printer for your needs. For more information, like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. And let's get started. Number 7. Creality Ender 3 V2. The Creality Ender 3 V2 is a next-generation 3D printer designed to bring professional-grade printing capabilities to hobbyists, enthusiasts, and professionals alike. Building upon the success of its predecessor, the Ender 3, this upgraded version incorporates several enhancements to elevate your printing experience. Featuring a sturdy all-metal frame, the Ender 3 V2 provides stability and durability, ensuring precise and reliable prints every time. Its advanced extruder design reduces the risk of filament clogging and improves overall print quality, while the upgraded power supply unit enhances safety and efficiency. Equipped with a silent motherboard, this 3D printer operates quietly, making it suitable for home, office, or educational environments. The integrated 4.3-inch color touchscreen offers intuitive navigation and control over the printing process, simplifying operation for users of all skill levels. With a sizable build volume of 220x220x250 millimeters, the Ender 3 V2 enables you to bring your creative ideas to life with ample space for larger prints. Whether you're a hobbyist exploring the world of 3D printing or a professional seeking a reliable workhorse, the Creality Ender 3 V2 delivers exceptional performance and versatility. Number 6. Prusa i3 MK3S Plus. The Prusa i3 MK3S Plus is an advanced 3D printer renowned for its precision, reliability, and versatility. Incorporating the latest advancements in 3D printing technology, this model builds upon the success of its predecessor, the MK3S, with enhanced features and improved performance. Equipped with a robust frame and high-quality components, the Prusa i3 MK3S Plus offers exceptional durability and stability, ensuring consistent and accurate prints. Its heated bed with automatic mesh bed leveling enables effortless calibration and optimal adhesion for various print materials, including PLA, ABS, PETG, and more. One of the standout features of the MK3S Plus is its innovative extruder design, featuring a Bondtech dual-drive gear system and a genuine E3D V6 hot end, which deliver precise filament control and superior printing quality. Additionally, the printer incorporates a filament sensor and power panic function, providing added reliability and peace of mind during long printing sessions. With a user-friendly interface and seamless integration with Prusa Slicer software, the Prusa i3 MK3S Plus offers a straightforward and intuitive printing experience for both beginners and experienced users alike. Whether for prototyping, hobbyist projects, or small-scale production, this 3D printer excels in delivering high-quality prints with unmatched consistency and efficiency. Number 5. Anticubic Photon Mono X. The Anticubic Photon Mono X is a cutting-edge resin 3D printer that brings precision and speed to your printing projects. With its large build volume of 192x120x245 millimeters, you can create bigger, more intricate models with ease. Powered by monochrome LCD technology, this printer boasts ultra-fast printing speeds, reducing your print time significantly compared to traditional resin printers. Equipped with a 4K monochrome LCD screen, the Photon Mono X delivers exceptional detail and clarity to your prints, ensuring every layer is rendered with precision. Its improved light source guarantees uniform UV light distribution, resulting in consistent curing and impeccable print quality. Featuring an intuitive touchscreen interface, the Photon Mono X offers user-friendly navigation and control over your printing settings. Its sturdy aluminum build and dual Z-axis rails provide stability and accuracy throughout the printing process, ensuring reliable performance with every print. Whether you're a hobbyist, designer, or professional, the Anticubic Photon Mono X empowers you to bring your ideas to life with unparalleled speed and precision, making it the perfect choice for your resin printing needs. Number 4. Formlabs Form 3. The Formlabs Form 3 is a cutting-edge 3D printer designed to deliver professional-grade printing capabilities with unparalleled precision and reliability. Built upon the renowned SLA, stereolithography technology, this sleek and compact printer offers users the ability to create intricate, high-resolution 3D prints with exceptional surface finish. With its advanced optical system and precision mechanics, the Form 3 ensures consistent, accurate prints every time, making it ideal for a wide range of applications including product design, engineering, jewelry making, healthcare, and more. Its intuitive user interface and seamless workflow integration streamline the printing process, allowing users to bring their designs to life with ease. Featuring a large build volume and a variety of versatile materials, the Form 3 offers limitless possibilities for creativity and innovation. Whether you're prototyping new product designs, creating customized medical devices, or crafting intricate jewelry pieces, the Formlabs Form 3 empowers you to turn your ideas into reality with unmatched speed and precision. Elevate your 3D printing experience and unlock new possibilities with the Form 3 from Formlabs. Number 3. Ultimaker S3. The Ultimaker S3 is a versatile and reliable 3D printer designed for professional use, offering high-quality printing capabilities in a compact and user-friendly package. With its dual extrusion system and a build volume of 230 x 190 x 200 mm, the Ultimaker S3 empowers users to create intricate and functional prototypes, models, and end-use parts with ease. Equipped with advanced features such as a heated glass build plate, active bed leveling, and compatibility with a wide range of materials including PLA, ABS, and nylon, the Ultimaker S3 ensures consistent and precise printing results every time. Its semi-enclosed build chamber maintains a stable printing environment, minimizing warping and ensuring excellent adhesion between layers. The intuitive touchscreen interface and seamless integration with Ultimaker's software ecosystem, including Ultimaker Cura and Ultimaker Digital Factory, streamline the printing process from start to finish. Whether you're a design engineer, educator, or professional maker, the Ultimaker S3 provides the reliability, performance, and versatility needed to bring your ideas to life with confidence. Number 2. Flashpoint Creator Pro. The Flashpoint Creator Pro is a professional-grade 3D printer engineered for enthusiasts, hobbyists, and professionals seeking high-quality 3D printing capabilities. With its sturdy metal frame and dual extruders, this printer offers reliability and versatility for a wide range of printing projects. Equipped with a spacious build volume of 227 x 148 x 150 mm, the Creator Pro enables users to bring their creative visions to life with precision and detail. Its dual extruder system allows for multi-material printing, enabling intricate designs and complex geometries with ease. The printer features a heated print bed, which ensures optimal adhesion and minimizes warping, particularly when working with ABS and other high-temperature filaments. Additionally, the enclosed build chamber provides temperature stability, reducing the risk of print defects caused by fluctuations in ambient conditions. With user-friendly features such as an intuitive touchscreen interface and compatibility with various slicing software, including Flashprint and Simplify 3D, the Creator Pro offers a seamless printing experience. Whether you're a seasoned professional or a novice enthusiast, the Flashpoint Creator Pro empowers you to unleash your creativity and turn your ideas into tangible objects with precision and reliability. Number 1. LulzBot Mini 2. The LulzBot Mini 2 is a compact and versatile 3D printer designed for enthusiasts, educators, and professionals alike. Building upon the success of its predecessor, this next-generation printer boasts enhanced features and improved performance. With a generous build volume of 160 mm x 160 mm x 180 mm, 6.3 in x 6.3 in x 7.09 in, the LulzBot Mini 2 offers ample space for creating a wide range of objects with precision and detail. Its heated borosilicate glass bed ensures excellent adhesion and helps prevent warping, allowing for reliable and consistent prints. Equipped with a robust self-leveling and self-cleaning system, the Mini 2 simplifies the printing process, reducing the need for manual calibration and maintenance. Its open filament system supports a variety of materials, including PLA, ABS, PETG, and more, offering users the flexibility to experiment with different filaments for their projects. The printer features a user-friendly interface with a vibrant LCD screen and an intuitive control dial, making it easy to navigate menus and monitor print progress. Additionally, the LulzBot Mini 2 is compatible with a range of slicing software, providing users with the freedom to choose their preferred workflow. Whether you're a hobbyist creating prototypes or an educator fostering innovation in the classroom, the LulzBot Mini 2 delivers reliable performance and exceptional print quality. So guys, that's all for the top 7 best 3D printers. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more videos. We will meet in next video. Till then, take care. Bye.